am Shruti Konchada. I am gonna explain about variables, arrays, functions, objects, loops in JavaScript. These are basic concepts of JavaScript. Variables are the name given for a value to store in it. For declaring the value with variable name, we use let keyword. You can use constant or var. Here, for example, I declared my Ali's name in the variable student name by the keyword let. Another sum of the values, student age, is graduated. Values are stored by giving the keyword let. Variable scope, global scope, local scope. Variable declared outside any function can be accessed anywhere from the code. Local scope is the variable declared inside the function or block of the code. It can be accessed only within the function. Here is the example. Arrays is the collection of data, multiple values data. We can create arrays by using brackets. In that we can store our elements. Arrays have index values. Here I want to access the value in the index value equals to 1, so the output will be Honda, because the array's index values always start with 0 and ends with n-1 element. Common operations in arrays are adding, removing and manipulating the elements. Next, coming to the topic objects. Objects are the way to store structured data. Objects can access the properties or the values by using dot. Here the example is, we accessed the name by using dot, so the output will be, hi, I am John. Next topic is functions. Function is a reusable block of code. Functions have return values. If you want to return the value where you called in function, you should use return keyword. Here I given parameters a and b, so the multiplication of the parameters is returned. So the output will be 20 because a and b values are 4, 5. Next, there are the name functions, anonymous functions, arrow functions. Next topic is loops. Loops are the constructs in programming used to repeat a block of code multiple times. There are several types of loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop. For loop, for example, in for loop we initialize and increment or decrement. Also we give condition inside the for and then the block of code. This is the syntax. This is the example. If you know how many iterations you should do in the code, then we use for loop. If you don't know how many iterations should be done, then we use while. So while, syntax for while is while, condition and block of code. Example, this is the example. If you want to run the code at least once, if you want to execute it at least once, we use do while loop. This is the code, and syntax is do and the block of code, next while condition. So it's the example for loops. here we initialized and given condition and we incremented the value.